Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a pair of unbiased dice are rolled together till a sum of either 5 or 7 is obtained. Okay. Now, what does this means? If we get sum as 5 or 7, experiment ends. Okay, so the moment you will get sum either 5 or 7, your experiment will end. Now, then find the probability that 5 comes before 7. Okay, this means we want 5, okay, as sum, means 7 will never come. Correct? Now try to understand this. If I am writing yes, this means what? We got sum as 5, and if I am writing no, means we are getting neither 5 nor 7 as sum. Okay, now try to create cases. Okay, so suppose that in first trial you got sum as 5, so done. Now in next trial means you are throwing a dice twice, pair of dice twice. So in first you will not get, but in second you get 5 plus. Next you are getting 3 trials. So you know that in 3 trial in last trial you want 5, means before 5 you cannot have 5, this means neither 5 nor 7. So the last 2 trial will become fixed, no and yes, and here it will become no again. Okay, now next trial no, 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 and then yes. Next trial no, 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 and then yes, and things will keep on going. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, suppose that it is A, it is AB, it is AB square, it is AB cube, it is AB power 4, and so on. Okay, now can I write that the required probability is, if you will observe, these things are in GP and it is pure GP. If you will multiply by B, you will get this situation. If you will multiply by B, you will get this situation. If you multiply by B, you will get this situation, and so on. This means it is pure GP having infinite terms. So can I say that the sum of infinite terms of GP is A by 1 minus R? Here common ratio is B. So what does A means? A means getting the sum as 5. You know that like 5 will come 4 times, correct? I have explained you the thread, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if you throw dice twice, you will get this as the sum, and 2 and 12 will come once. 3 and means if the sum is 14, both will come one less than the smaller number. So 3 will come, 3 and 11 will come 2 times, 4 and 10 will come 3 times, 5 and 9 will come 4 times, and so on. So A means what? Getting sum as 5. So 5 will come how many times? So 5 will come 4 times. Okay. So the value of A will become 4 by 36 divided by, now B means what? You don't want 5 and you don't want 7. So 5 will come 4 times, 7 will come 6 times. So altogether your unfavorable case is what? 10, and there are 36 ways. So you can remove this 36, like 36 minus 10. So you will be left with 26 by 36. Okay. So this is your B. I hope the idea is clear. Now you can simplify things as 4 by 36 into 36 by 36 minus 26 means 10. Now you can play fruit ninja, this thing gone, we are left with 2 by 5. Okay, therefore the required probability is 2 by 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.